Welcome to this tutorial on Cryon 6D on using the simulation functionality in our project management system. Let's begin by navigating to the document page and viewing the document list. On the left side of the screen, you'll see folder options. Choose the desired folder and select the RVT and XLSX files. At the top of the screen, click on Add Simulation. A pop-up screen will appear. Click on Update to proceed. You'll receive a Document Successfully Added pop-up message. Now go to the sidebar screen and select the Views path. Choose the Simulation option and click to open the view page. The previously added files will be displayed. Clicking on a file will redirect you to the Autodesk screen showing the drawing. Navigate to the Timeline path. In the Timeline page, select the Play button. The simulation will automatically display the day-wise drawing design. And that's how you use this simulation functionality. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.